Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we learn 20 English sentences for daily use. So without wasting of time, let's begin. I have lost my keys. मैंने अपनी चाबियाँ खो दी हैं. I have lost my keys. Why are you screaming? तुम क्यों चीख रहे हो? Why are you screaming? I played tennis. मैं टेनिस खेलता था. I played tennis. Stand over there. वहाँ खड़े हो जाओ. Stand over there. Come with me please. Please मेरे साथ आओ. Come with me please. I am just joking. मैं सिर्फ मजाक कर रहा हूँ. I am just joking. I have done my work. मैंने अपना काम कर लिया है. I have done my work. Everybody saw it. सबने उसे देखा. Everybody saw it. Do you eat meat? क्या आप गोश्त खाते हैं? Do you eat meat? Meat mean गोश्त. It's time to go. ये जाने का वक्त है. It's time to go. Look who is there. देखो वहाँ कौन है. Look who is there. He has left me. उसने मुझे छोड़ दिया है. He has left me. Don't shout at her. उस पर मत चीखें. Don't shout at her. Shout mean चीखना. I can beat you. मैं तुम्हें हरा सकता हूँ. I can beat you. मैं तुम्हें हरा सकता हूँ. Finish your food quickly. अपना खाना जल्दी ख़त्म करो. Finish your food quickly. Give me 5 minutes. मुझे 5 मिनट दें. Give me 5 minutes. Don't make excuses. बहाने मत बनाओ. Don't make excuses. Don't play in the sun. धूप में मत खेलो. Don't play in the sun. Don't eat ice cream. आइसक्रीम मत खाओ. Don't eat ice cream. Don't drink cold water. ठंडा पानी ना पिएं. Don't drink cold water. Don't bother me. मुझे परेशान मत करो. Don't bother me. इसके साथ ही हमारी आज की वीडियो ख़त्म हुई. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.